The phone rings, a visitor walks in, and 3 emails need responses, all at the same time. That's a regular Tuesday in most Canadian offices. The Office Skills and Receptionist course at Online Training Academy is for anyone stepping into a front desk or administrative role for the first time, or for those already working in an office who want to handle that kind of day with real confidence. The course runs across 2 connected sections. Office Skills covers communication, time management, organization, conflict handling, and workplace stress. The Receptionist section then builds on that with front desk expertise, scheduling, bookkeeping, customer service, and remote working skills. Together, they give you a complete and practical picture of what modern Canadian office work actually requires. Fully online with audio voiceover, self-paced, and accessible on your laptop, tablet, or phone. Once you complete the course, your e-certificate is issued immediately, and your hard copy certificate will be on its way to you. Bulk pricing is available for team enrollments. The course is accredited by CPD and endorsed by the Quality License Scheme. Canadian offices run on people who know what they're doing. This is where that starts.